Hey y'all, good afternoon. Yeah, it's 1:55 where I am. So good afternoon. We are headed to Walmart because today is gonna be like my weekly reset. So as you can see from the title, we are doing some laundry today. We're doing some decluttering. Hopefully I will have time to do that, and we are about to head to the grocery store so I can get a little bit of groceries, just a little miscellaneous things that my daughter likes to eat because she loves fruit. So we are going to go to Walmart to get some fruit. I really don't prefer Walmart to go to get fruit, but I'm not feeling it today, so I'm just gonna go to the closest spot, which is Walmart, to get my baby some fruit. So y'all stay tuned, and I will check back in with you all when I get back. Not when I get back, when I get to Walmart. So I'll call y'all back. Bye. Okay, y'all, we have made it into Walmart. All right. It was a struggle getting my daughter out of the car because she's so independent and she likes to do things herself. She don't want my help. So I couldn't record walking in. All right. So here are some oranges. Look, mommy getting bananas. You see the bananas? You love bananas. Some good bananas. Let's put it in a bag, okay? Hold the banana. Don't do anything with it. Yeah, mommy gonna get a bag. I need some rosemary. Okay, I see the rosemary. Mommy needs this rosemary. And I need some mint leaves. We have everything we need. You ready to go check out, baby?
Check out?
Yes, and mommy's thirsty. Are you thirsty?
Thirsty.
Yes, mommy is thirsty.
Mommy, juicy.
Yeah, you have your juice.
Hello.
You're just speaking to everybody. Excuse us.
Excuse us. No. No.
Okay. Okay, Rory, wait a second. Okay, y'all. Woo! Y'all, that was the most interesting Walmart trip I've ever had in my days of going to Walmart. I don't even know what to say right now.
Mommy.
What I can say is this whole new process of self-checkout at Walmart, it's convenient to and it's an inconvenience to others. And why I say it's convenient because people just don't have courtesy. That's my real issue. People do not have courtesy of others. Like, if you, well, okay, sir, just go 99 miles an hour down a whole parking lot. But anyway, I digress. But if you see that there is another checkout that's available, because it shows green when it's available. So if you see that there is a green one, a green open checkout open, go to it. Don't stop at the first one, because you see that there is a long line of people waiting to check out their groceries. They have multiple children. They have multiple groceries that they're trying to check out. Like, be courteous. You see that there's another one open, go to that one. Don't stop to the first one. And then, here's the kicker, y'all. And then they had the nerve to block the walkway so that can't nobody else squeeze in between the person that's on the left and them on the right. So the register just sitting there open while this long line is standing there to check out. Like, for real? Like, for real. I can't make this up. Like, it may not be serious to you all, but it's serious to me. Like, come on, people got stuff to do. People trying to go on about their day, ain't trying to be in Walmart waiting on the next person to check out millions of dollars worth of groceries. Because literally, you can go and buy 2 things and spend $100. It's not a joke. So yeah, we are headed back home because I'm ready just to go back to my domain, to my peace. I'm ready to do that. So with that being said, y'all stay tuned because I still got some laundry to do. I'm not gonna hold y'all long, I promise. But yeah, we literally stayed less than 5 minutes from Walmart, so I'm gonna call y'all back. I got me something to drink, and yeah, I'm gonna call y'all back when I get back to the house and show you all my laundry process of cleaning up. Excuse the lace, y'all. It's hot, it's lifting. I need to get it melted back down. I can really do it myself, but I'm still cute though. Let's not forget that. But yes, I will see y'all when I get to the house. Okay, y'all, so we done made it back to the house. I'm about to strip the linen off my bed so I could put fresh sheets on the bed. Fresh, nice, clean sheets. So yeah, I'm glad to be back home. Back to my room. Me and my baby, she's eating her bananas. She's eating her bananas. So I'm about to start cleaning. Hold on, let me clean this off. Better? A little bit. Okay, so yeah, I'm about to do that. Let me show you all what it looks like right now. It's not like a disaster or anything. It's just my bed is not made up and I want to change the sheets on my bed. So let me show y'all. So this is what my bed is looking like. So I'm gonna take those and wash them. My baby and I sleep on satin pillowcases. I'm just gonna straighten up this little area here. Fold these clothes. Y'all, please don't judge. These clothes are from last week that I did not fold. That's my little one playing on the floor. Don't know what she's looking for, and she's talking about oranges and she's eating bananas at this point. So yeah, this is what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna let y'all watch me. Move, baby. We need to get some new pillows. Y'all, I just learned that the pillows that you have, you can wash them instead of having to go buy new sets of pillows. You can really just reuse the pillows, like wash them and reuse them. I thought washing them will destroy them. And I'm just learning that. Let me know in the comments if you all knew that or didn't know that. I sometimes can be a little slow when it comes to. So we are going to put these khaki color linen on the bed. Do you all iron y'all sheets or steam them so they don't be wrinkled, or it doesn't really matter? Ooh, ouch! Hush! Why are you doing all that? Cause mommy. Okay, y'all. This is what my bed looks like after it's been made with fresh linen and all of that. It's really pretty. I like it, but I can't wait to like really decorate when we move. I'm gonna go all out for my master bedroom and my daughter's room and her playroom. So stay tuned for the laundry, and then that will be the end of the vlog. Okay, y'all, so as y'all just seen, I have sorted out my colors, darks, whites, and my towels. So let's get the process going. It should not take me long to wash clothes because I really only have 3 loads of clothes to wash. My daughter is outside on her scooter. Well, it sounds like they're back, but she went on her scooter. Did you have fun on your scooter? You did? High five. Good job, Mama. Do you need something to drink? Okay. So I'm going to get her something to drink, and then I'm going to show you all the next process. Stay tuned. Yes, baby. Let's go get the clothes and put it in the laundry. Okay, my loves and lovelies, I have started my first load of clothes. Right now I'm just gonna let that wash. I'm washing my white clothes first, and then I'll do my darks and do my colors last. So yeah, this concludes the end of the vlog. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you all are notified when I have uploaded another video. Also, comment down below videos that you would like for me to do. Me being a single mother, being an entrepreneur, daily vlogs, just send me some suggestions. And also make sure you follow me on all my social media pages, and I will follow back. And I hope you all continue to have a great rest of your day. You all stay blessed and know that you are loved and you are highly favored. Love you all. See you on the next video.